you a DIY person? Then tag along, because today I'm preparing an amazing DIY lotion for my skin right at the comfort of my home using simple kitchen ingredients, and some of them very easily available in your nearby grocery, and it can give you wonderful results, zero side effects for your skin and amazing suppleness. Ready everybody? Watch the video completely, understand the ingredients, understand the potency of the ingredients, see the preparation, prepare it yourself and come back and tell us we have seen the magic for ourselves. If you like the presentation, do give it a thumbs up. Let's check out what all needs to be done. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I really hope you all are doing amazingly great. Let's dive into the video and prepare our amazing DIY lotion. For the preparation of the lotion, the first thing that you require is 1 cup of water. Into it goes 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Yes, 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. That would be sufficient because we are going to add more ingredients over here. The second would be 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds ground into powder. Yes, because the seeds, obviously we can use the seeds, but we have to use the, pulp also later on, which we are not going to do. So we are going to grind the seeds in advance and put it in the water for its potency to actually seep into the water and give us that tight, supple, soft skin. Yes, fenugreek seeds can actually tighten your skin and give you that anti-aging effects. You didn't know that? Come on. You have to go around the channel and check out for yourself. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right now. Also, if you're liking it, give it a thumbs up. So once you have added all of these things, you're going to add a handful of rose petals. If you have fresh, you can use fresh as well. I had dried rose petals with me, so I'm using that. Just let it simmer properly till the entire decoction reduces to approximately half of it. You're going to strain the entire decoction. Whatever is left in the sieve, do not throw it away. You can use it as a mask. You can use it as a gentle scrub for your face. You can grind it and use it as a mask, and don't, just scrub off your skin. Just put it on your face, splash water, and you are good to go. You have not wasted the ingredients, and you have used one of the mask for one of the weeks. So your choice if you want to do it that ways. And the decoction that is left after straining, this is the magical base of our lotion. Once it cools down, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Now, vitamin E oil is magic. It is literally magic for your skin. It actually gives you that suppleness immediately, almost immediately, but it's a little sticky. Obviously, it's an oil. So we are going to balance all the things with the next ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water gives it a little bit of liquid consistency, and if you want more of a thicker version, you can add a little bit less of rose water over here. Last but not the least, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now, the consistency of the aloe vera gel that you're using over here also determines the consistency of your lotion. So please be thoughtful. For the first time, obviously, it is going to be experimental, and you will understand which ingredient should be thicker, which should be, you will understand it that ways. So after mixing everything together, you're going to whisk it really well, and you don't have the potential to actually turn it into a lotion. So you're going to use a hand blender or a mixer grinder and mix everything together properly, and it will turn into something very milky and very whitish in color. And this is your amazing DIY lotion, which you are going to use for your skin immediately after bathing, immediately after washing your face, immediately after whatever you are doing. And you will see for yourself that you are not requiring the market-based, highly expensive, niacinamide, this, that ingredient, and it is doing its job. Flax seeds is one of the finest ingredient which has omega-3, which actually helps you with the soft and supple skin. The fenugreek has anti-aging benefits. The rose petals can actually give you that pinkish glow on your face. The vitamin E, the rose water, the aloe vera gel, everything is providing hydration and moisture to your skin. So I don't think what you need out of your lotion apart from all of the things that I've mentioned. So hurry up people, get all the ingredients together, prepare this DIY lotion for yourself, and come back and tell all of us what magic have you seen for yourself. I really love you, you know it very well. So do come back as and when I post the videos immediately after that. I know you're busy. If you're busy, you can come later also, but do come back, right? Lots of love. Take care.